Hey, it's Alicia Lyttle with a quick tip. WhatsApp marketing is becoming more and more effective. I find that as I change my WhatsApp status and as my sales team changes their WhatsApp status, that we're getting more inquiries via WhatsApp, more link clicks to our website via WhatsApp, and sales from current customers and potential customers. So if you have a sales team, if you're using WhatsApp, make sure that they're updating their status every day with the products and services that you offer with what's on sale. So also you can add, some other things in there, photos and that sort of thing. So it's not always just a sales pitch, but WhatsApp marketing is going to become more and more impactful as your sales team makes sure that they save all of their contacts to WhatsApp, communicate with them in WhatsApp, and so now the status updates are going to get viewed more and more often. All right, so let's jump in and let me show you exactly what to do to create a clickable link in your WhatsApp status. You go to update your status. I want you to click on the pencil right there next to my status, and I want you to now type in your call to action. So in this case, it's click the link below. And now I'm going to type in www, very important, .theurl.com. In this case, it's www.thepaidva.com. And then I'm going to press enter and then update my WhatsApp status that way. So you're going to press that arrow sign right there. Now it just says my status was updated. I'm going to click on my status just to show you. Let's click on it. And you can see right there that when you put your mouse over the www, it is clickable. It goes to the website. Ba-boom, there we go. So that is how to create a clickable link on your WhatsApp status. Make sure that you and your sales team or whoever's got the phone that's working with customers and gets WhatsApp messages uses this. It's quite effective. All right, bye.